Alright, thank you for being here. My name is Sam and I'm going to demonstrate to you how you can create your own free business email with your own custom domain. Alright, using a business email makes one look more professional compared to using the Gmails and the Yahoos of this world. So let's jump into it right away. So you're going to come here and search Zoho free business email. Here it is. Then you're going to go to pricing. Then when you scroll down, these are for the paid plans. These are the paid plans. When you scroll down, you're going to be presented with here it's hidden somewhere here, and then you will say you want to try this now. I'm being redirected to my email, so first thing I want to do is I want to log out. I already have a Zoho email with them, so let me log out from this first. Alright, so free Zoho business email. Go to pricing again, scroll down, you see forever free plan. You're going to sign up. Right, you're going to put in your name here and then your email address. In this case, your email address or the mobile phone number. In this case, you're going to use your email address, or you can use your phone number if you want. I prefer using your email address because you can have several email addresses that will give you a chance to create many business emails using the different domains that you can have. But if you input your phone number, you can only use it once. So you're going to use put in your name, put in your email address and your password, and then you're going to be presented with this window here. Going to be presented with this window here. Once you're in here, you're going to be told you're going to add these records in your domain registrar. So you want to copy this, you go to your domain provider. Mine is Namecheap. As you can see, this is my domain that I've used. Here's my domain. You go to Namecheap, Advanced DNS. You're going to add a text record, so you're going to add a new record, text record. You can leave it blank or add, and then you paste the value and then you save that. So you're done with that. You're going to go back here and you're going to be told to verify the text record. Perfect. It has been verified. Our domain has been verified. You're going to have the username that you want to be using. In this case, I want to use service. You can use any, and then create. Right, and then you want to proceed to the setup. You're not going to create any groups, and then you say proceed to DNS. So you're going to put in this MX record in your domain registrar as well. So I'm going to copy that, go to your domain registrar, text record, art, first one is priority 10, copy that, save changes, a new record, art, it's MX2, priority is 20, and then you're going to save that. That one is MX3, priority 50, and then you copy that. All these are presented here as you have seen. These are all what I have added to our domain registrar. So next thing is verify MX record. It takes a few minutes, so let me verify that to see whether it has been added, and do it again. Going to perfect. It has been added. MX records are pointed to Zoho. Then you're going to proceed with the SPF record. You're going to add this as a text record. You copy this, you go to your domain registrar, you add a new record. It's a text record. There you go. Then you copy that, you say OK, you save that, and then you want to verify if the record has been added. Some of these records take some time, but if you're lucky it goes through like immediately. So our SPF record has been pointed successfully. So the next thing we want to do is the DKIM. So you want to add this. Still a text record, the value is there, the text name is here, so there you go, and then you save that. You save that, you come back here and try verify that record. Verify your DKIM. Perfect, has been pointed. Then you're going to say proceed to email migration. Start data migration, no data we are adding, and then you say proceed. Your setup is complete, and then you're going to check out your inbox. There you go. You have a business domain. So there it is. you check here, you'll see you can do a quick setup here. You can add your time zone. You can view all your time zones and add the one that you are in. And then the display name, you can change it here. And then you go to next. You can choose the color you want. You say next, and you'll be able to access to Zoho. So if you check here, you'll be able to see thy system service at thysystem.com. So I'm going to send an email to this and see whether it is working. So I'm gonna go to my Gmail here. Compose an email. I'm going to send it to thy system. Let me call it test. Then say send. Let's see if we have it in our inbox. When I refresh this, there you go. Our test email is here. And that is how you create your business email using Zoho. It's a free forever plan. No one is going to charge you, and you can download a Zoho app whereby you can be accessing this email the same way you access your Gmail using an app in your phone, and then you continue enjoying using your service. And you can create multiple users using the same. For instance, you say if you go to your admin console here, and then you come to users, and you want to add a user. You can have at least 5 users using that very same domain, assuming you want to say something like that you have your name, the name of that email, you have your password, you create your password, you confirm it, you can add a photo, and you can add maybe you have different users in the same organization. You can add up to 5. So that is how you create it, and you're done and you're good to use it. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.